Hi everybody, my name is Kieran Malloy and these are my strategies for teaching elementary social studies and specifically project-based learning. So in the project-based learning strategy, it is an inquiry-based approach that enables students to apply and acquire knowledge and develop skills by investigating complex questions or challenges over an extended period of time. The benefits of this include engaging for both the student and the teacher. It encourages students to think critically, solve real-world problems, communicate, collaborate, listen, create presentations using technology, which are all important skills that are valued in the content standards, and finally connect students with their community and foster good citizenship. So implementing project-based learning by using the Buck Institute for Education in the article that I read, and they developed the gold standard project-based learning, which was a super cool thing that they incorporated. And here are the gold standard project-based learning basics. There's 7 essential project steps with the goals of first, key knowledge, understanding, and success skills. Number 1, challenging problem or question. So have a project that is framed around a meaningful problem. The second is sustained inquiry. Students should be engaged in rigorous, extended process of asking questions and researching solutions. Third includes authenticity. The project should be based in real-world issues or be a topic that is of interest to the students. I think that's super important that it's something that they're interested in and want to interact with and learn more about. Fourth is student voice and choice. Students need to make some decisions regarding the project, obviously. Fifth is reflection. So students reflect on their learning and discuss obstacles they encountered and how they overcame them. And sixth is critique and revision. This is where students use and give feedback to improve their project. And finally, seventh is the public product, where students present the project to people beyond the classroom. So outside of the classroom. And appropriate use of project-based learning examples. So this could look differently, but in one scenario, it's a debate or speech, social media campaign, or multimedia presentation on a current event or controversial issue. And the more local and personally relevant to the students, the better. A museum exhibit about a historical time, place, person, event, or development. A simulation of a situation when people in the past or in the present day have to solve a problem, make a decision, or advise a leader. And finally, an action or service learning project to benefit the community. So the materials needed in executing project-based learning would be dependent on the project, obviously, but in the article I read, there was an example of a 6th grade social studies class that did a project-based learning on the civil rights movement in Nashville, and they decided to develop an app to preserve the influence that Nashville played in the civil rights movement. The materials that are needed for this would be ThingLink software, rubric, and learning logs. The resources are Nashville Public Library and the book March. And the classroom layout would be divided into groups of 3, and it would be also in and out of the classroom. The preparation, so developed questions, we'd be visiting the Nashville Public Library. We will read the book March and participated in the Socratic seminar. They developed a graphic organizer, interviewed guest speakers, and practiced the presentation and gave and received feedback. Okay. And the source of research on project-based learning was learning by doing, as John Dewey pointed out many years ago, and research shows leads to better better retention of knowledge and skills. And here's my works cited. Thank you.